As a data analyst, you'll often have to perform complex calculations on large datasets beyond the scope of spreadsheet software, like Microsoft Excel. In these instances, you need to utilize formulas and functions in DAX. In this video, you'll review some commonly used DAX functions and examples of formulas that use these functions. AdventureWorks has experienced steady growth in recent months. However, this growth has led to data management issues, so AdventureWorks needs a better way to generate insights into its data. Fortunately, DAX formulas and functions are the perfect solution for generating these insights. Let's find out more about DAX formulas and functions and then discover how AdventureWorks can make use of them. You previously learned about operators, the building blocks for creating a DAX formula. However, there are also many common formulas and calculations performed on data. These are part of DAX's extensive library of functions. Functions are reusable pieces of logic that can be used in a DAX formula. These functions can perform various tasks, including aggregations, conditional logic, and time intelligence calculations. Data analysts can use these functions to handle complex data challenges and drive meaningful insights. To create a function, you must be familiar with the syntax. A function begins with the function name, followed by parentheses containing the function's parameters. DAX function names are typically expressed using capital letters to help differentiate them from table and column names. For example, AdventureWorks could use a function to get the distinct count of rows in the custom key column in a table named Sales. DAX expressions can be difficult to write, particularly complex calculations which require nested functions. So, you can use variables in your DAX formulas to simplify calculation results and store them for reuse. You can use variables to store intermediate results in a temporary location. They're like a storage box that you can put information into to be retrieved later. This improves reliability and readability and reduces the complexity of your expressions. You can define a variable in DAX by placing var before your variable or expression. Follow the variables with return, where the expression's result is provided. AdventureWorks can create a simple formula that defines two variables to generate insights into its sales and customer data. Sales amount and customer number are variables defined to determine the total sales and number of customers, respectively. The return statement divides one variable by the other. The entire expression's result is in the DAX query's return statement. Although DAX functions can be classified into many broad categories, there are some commonly used functions. Let's review these and discover how AdventureWorks could leverage them to resolve their business problems. The calculate function evaluates an expression in a context modified by the specified filters. AdventureWorks can use the function to analyze total sales for a product category based on the color of the products. The company just filters the products based on a specified color like blue. The calculate function evaluates the sum of the sales table sales amount column in a modified filtered context. A new filter is added to the product table color column. Another useful function is average x. The average function returns the average of an expression evaluated for each row in a table. AdventureWorks can use this function to calculate the collective average for freight and tax. The function calculates the average freight and tax on each order in the sales table. It first sums freight plus tax amount in each row and then averages those sums. You also need to be familiar with the summarize function. The summarize function creates a summary table by grouping data based on one or more columns. AdventureWorks can use the summarize function to generate a sales summary report displaying annual sales for each product category. This function returns the summary of sales grouped around the calendar year and the product category. The resulting table allows you to analyze the sales by year and product category. DAX is a powerful language for advanced data modeling and analysis. Its wide range of functions can be combined with formulas to generate deep insight. And remember that DAX functions can be combined to create complex calculations that perform multiple operations. This versatility and flexibility makes DAX an essential tool for data analysts.